Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and we're back with another reaction, man. Again, Drake's new album, Her Loss, trending, a lot of controversy. So we're getting into the songs that have some messages in there. You know what I'm saying? This one that we're going to be looking at, it doesn't have a lot, but it has a big one in there. And I'm kind of shocked about it just because I feel like not all beef should be entertained, but who knows what goes on behind the scenes type of thing, right? So this one is Middle of the Ocean. And this person's another person that definitely replied to the shots that were fired at them. So we're just gonna go through with the songs. So we're just gonna be going through the song, and seeing if there's any other messages, and we're gonna pop it off from there, man. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that sub button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and let me know what you think about these shots that are being fired. Do you think that he's too old for this shit? You think this beef is not even a beef? Is it worth it? You know what I'm saying? But we're just gonna get right into it, man. I'll see you guys. Alright, got my lyrics on the screen. Don't want to miss nothing, man. Drizzy. I get it.
Yeah. I'm in the Masonic.
I love these beats. Like these slow type of, I don't know, man. I just think that whatever comes from it's gonna be fire.
For real. We going from the Vava to Sync on Sync, then back to the Vava.
I don't know what the hell that is, but it sounds fire.
I don't know what to tell you.
Cinco de Sol. Yeah, I don't know what that shit. I don't know what that means.
Hey.
Yeah, this is that feel good beat.
Long way from set to Mezzo. Me Tommaso and Ernesto. Short
Again,
Tony with the
I don't know what the fuck he's talking about, but this shit is fire.
Hallways got an echo. Me and Smigs on a loose in the city, you know how the rest go. Casual sex, I'm like fuck a dress code. The first martini is an espresso. Chill shot glasses with Prosecco. Niggas so ignorant in our hood, they be like, why the fuck you making techno? I'm worldwide and this is just another cargo jet flow. I had to let go. Life insurance policies, you niggas about to need the gecko. I got some meaner threats though.
Bro,
Me spotted.
that's a hard bar. That is a hard bar, bro. What the fuck? Where does this guy come up with this shit? Ghostwriting? I'm joking. My nigga Drizzy does not do that shit. I just wanted to go back to that. Life insurance policies. You niggas about to need the gecko. I got some meaner threats though. That is... It's so lit. I'm not, obviously it's not like this guy just discovered fucking light or nothing, but it's just so lit, like how he puts the shit together, man. I can't lie. Even if, and I've had these arguments with people before, even if Drake doesn't write his shit, you go say what he says and tell me if it sounds the same. It won't sound the same. There's something about this nigga. It sounds different.
Man and Leonardo, I'm back tomorrow. I had to chop it to a wedding out in Monaco or Monte Carlo. I'm losing track of where we all
Any
go.
flow.
I wouldn't trade my life for none of y'all's. It's an embargo. 59 bags on a 767. This is heavy cargo.
Is a Boeing? No, that's a transport plane? I don't even remember.
59 bags. Hey, Swedish jail cell smelling like some carby must. For your birthday, your boyfriend got a party bus.
I've heard that Swedish prison or whatever is not like American. Obviously, nowhere's like American prison. Let's be real, it's a first world country, but they said it's nice over there, man. It's like a little holiday.
Bottle signs, club lines, should've come with us. We left that shit in '09 when we was coming up. I mean, these just my suggestions,
Yeah,
of course. I'm right here
that's
fresh
tough.
off divorce, and I'm trying to look in her eyes, maybe express my remorse. If she wanna rebound with me, I'm down to go get her some boards. I'm here for the moral support.
The switch.
Whipping the vest ball for 6 tequilas, big Benjamins.
Yo,
like
I don't know if you
the
guys. This is my favorite Drake song of all time, Tuscan Leather. When he switches the flow, that's something Drake is known for, man. When the beat drops or he's slow, it's sick. Let me hear this.
Steelers, Drake, you got it. Robert Kraft sent the jet for us. That shit was patriotic.
Where's the diss? I haven't heard the diss yet.
We live in Baltimore, the way they raving about the latest
Baltimore
product.
Ravens, that's a
Teaching
line.
niggas how to mind their business, and my latest stuff might be the only teacher that gets paid enough. That's why I'm in Hyde Park buying like half a hairs. You niggas are too concerned with making sure your outfits gon' match in pairs. If we don't like you, you paying tax and tariffs. Come to the 6 and I'm like the acting sheriff deputy. First got to America, niggas wouldn't check for me. No chance the kid'll make it here like vasectomy.
Whoa.
They underestimated
I like
my
that one.
trajectory.
That one's lit. Let me pull that shit. Let me pull that shit back. Where is that? Where is it? How did I lose that shit, man? I just got lost in the music. You know what I'm saying? Where is it? 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 I send the bill. Next thing. Oh yeah. Here it is. Come to the 6 and I'm acting like the sheriff deputy. First got to America, niggas wouldn't check for me. No chance this kid'll make it here like a vasectomy. Come on, man. Jersey's different.
But now they gotta pay that shit direct to me. I sent a label bills like the other two women standing next to B. That shit was just.
Hold on. I send the label bills like the other two women standing next to B. Is he dissing Destiny's Child? Nah, he can't be dissing Kelly like that. Nah, that's unnecessary. That's where we're gonna have to draw the line. Kelly has done nothing wrong to this man.
Independent women is loving a new appearance. Matter of time before I go netter be like a Pierce. Like, honey, you gotta know that I never wore Michael Myers or never hopped in a Urus. I got my head in the clouds, I'm serious. The lyrics begin to reveal themselves over time periods. Promise you'll get that shit when the sky clears. This shit designed for divine ears. My favorite two words from you white boys is sign here. And then comes the sound of glass clinking from a wine cheers. Swear I'm pocket checking y'all for 5 years, and then we about to kick this shit in high gear. 8 carats like vegetarians, nigga, the earrings are droopy. Contract Lord of the Rings, think it's a script for the movie. Shout out TV Gucci, my cousin is spooky. I swear you don't even mean what y'all say, like y'all dubbing a movie. Sidebar, Serena, your husband a groupie. He claim we don't got a problem, but no boo it is, like you coming for sushi. We might pop up on him at will like Suzuki.
Alright, yo, that whole little segment there, it was hard. Like, and let me be honest, bro. Like, if it wasn't Serena's husband, like, this guy is a tech. If you guys don't know who he is, I'm gonna it doesn't make sense to me. I'm gonna say this. If this guy's in the tech world, like, why is Drake beefing with him? You know what I mean? Like, what could he have done? Like, again, I don't know nobody's life. This is just my opinion from the outside. I'm just imagining me being Drake. You know what I'm saying? I would not beef with that. He looks like a loser. Sorry, he looks like a loser. Let's be honest, right? Why? I'm Drake. Why would I even give that guy airtime on my? I don't know. I guess it makes more people want to listen to the songs. He's a great marketer. We know that. But I'm a little shocked here. Again, this is another person that did actually respond to what Drake said, so I'll put it up on the screen. But let me just read that for you. So Drake's line, I'll go over that again. Obviously, if you don't know, Drake and Serena had a little thing back in Wimbledon. You know what I'm saying? They didn't last. I don't know what it is, But the line here, the bar is sidebar. Serena, your husband, a groupie. He claimed we don't got a problem, but no boo. It is like you coming for sushi. All right, so he clearly called this nigga a groupie. I don't know why he did that, but let me see what his response was. So his response here is, the reason I stay winning is because I'm relentless about being the absolute best at whatever I do, including the best groupie for my wife and daughter. Listen, man, if there was beef, if somebody says something like that to me, if I even reply to them or if I say something else, I'm just a bully. Like, what can you say back to that? Like, this guy said some, like, politically correct shit. Drake would look so stupid, like, trying to go back at him or saying something again. Like, leave it alone now. We get it. He's a groupie. Whatever. You win is what he's telling you, Drizzy. You win. 6 God.
Sushi, sake, the money grow on trees like shiitake. They try to get spicy with me, so I wonder how they gon' stop me. I'm really on a roll like Hamachi. The fuck would y'all really do without me? For your birthday, your man got a table at Hibachi. Last time I ate there, Wayne was doing numbers off the cup like Yahtzee, and Paris Hilton was steady ducking the paparazzi.
It's a long time.
Sent me a song that he called Versace. I really can't remember it properly.
Long time.
All I know is that God got me. I'm sitting on large properties. Treat me like a newborn Lucian, not dropping me. I'm going Pink Floyd. You niggas cannot rock with me. She could be giving me head and somehow you not topping me.
Yo, did you guys take that in? Treat me like a newborn Lucian, not dropping me. Do you guys, what was that movie? What was that show called again? Empire. When I think did Lucian drop a baby? Or some shit happened. Wow, bro. You see what I'm talking about with this guy, bro? Like, how does he even remember this shit to even put it in a song? You know what I mean? Like, that's crazy.
Niggas see the 6 guys pass, they high fiving me. Need to be high 6 of me. Swear niggas high
love
keep
six.
sick of me. They wifey on my head cause I
Nah, I'm not
vibe
doing that
differently. Feel like an Amber Alert the way that I could take her to the mall and she find Tiffany. I'm like a cup holder the way that these dimes stick to me. They should have been in the fountain based on what y'all wishing me. I'm saying.
Is it Birdman?
Yeah, $1 million spot.
Oh, it is Birdman.
Ask the
What the
motherfuckers I
fuck?
see them be playing.
Cash money.
Middle Ocean. Just like that. All dark, fresh green water.
The slowdown is
Jam
good.
that thing.
I like this shit at the
About
end of
100
songs.
hoes. We up and we living like
Funny
that,
enough,
boy.
you timed this right at the gym, man. This is your cool down.
Fresh fly, flesh like, you understand me? Like, real G shit. You're a neighborhood superstar. It's bigger than anything. You know, start from the bottom, then we come to
Let me
the
see
top.
the rest of these
Get to the
lyrics.
top and we
I don't
stay
think
up
the song goes back up.
We look down
So I'm gonna
and
let
we beat down,
Birdman
balls
take us
stand
out
up.
on the outro. But as I said, man, yeah. So you see him talk about Destiny's Child, and they're kinda, I think, right? Some clever lines in this one too, but the shot at Serena's husband and the way he gracefully replied, I mean, I think that's dead, right? So he did fire back, classy, I guess, admitting he's a groupie. I wouldn't say I'm a groupie. I would say I'm my wife's biggest supporter, but not a groupie. But it is what it is, man. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to sub if you're still here, man. Why not? Drop a like, and again, as I said, let me know what you guys think, and I'm just gonna get on to the next one. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace.